Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back over to the channel. Today we have a new mod for the truck. We got some, you can't even barely see, we got door handle covers for our door handles. So these came from Razor Auto. Got them on Amazon, $70. They're covers for the door handles. Because as you know, I will show you, the door handles on the STX are like a, I don't even know, they're like a plastic. So we got the door handles to match the color of the truck. So let me show you what they look like. So here we go. This is the box. It came in Razor Auto. So there's 4, and then this is the bezel trim. So we have the door handle covers, and then we have the trim piece. So let me open this and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. This is a gloss black, which is awesome. It's gonna match the truck perfectly. And that actually looks really, really good. I'm actually really excited to put these on. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna get some alcohol, and I'm gonna prep it with a towel, and then we're gonna go ahead and put these on, and I'll show you how they put on. All right, so here we go. We got the alcohol rubbing to promote the adhesive. We have the towel, and here's the truck right here. As you can see, the door handles are not the color of the truck, which I'm going to do today. See that right there? And I'm super excited. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is prep this. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down, and we will get started. All right, so these are the bezels, like this, and I'll show you what they look like. So that goes on the top, one goes on the bottom, and then the handle is gonna go over both. So that's 1, and here is 2. Plastic everywhere. So this right here is the second one, just like that, just like that. And then obviously the handle, which is right here. So it's gonna look like this, sorta, on the truck, something like that. So let's go ahead and wipe these down. I don't have anybody to hold this for me, but what I'm gonna do is you go ahead and line this up like this. Okay. So then we have the 3M backing. Go ahead and take that off. There's gonna be a lot of 3M to peel today, because we have essentially, we have 3 trim pieces on each door. There's 4 doors, and each trim piece has like 3 layers of adhesive. So we got 1. So that's gonna be a lot of adhesive I have to peel off today. Don't worry, I already prepped the door. I just didn't get it on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this up. Go ahead and firmly press down. All right. Now I'm gonna get the second one, which is right here. Same thing. This one also has 3 layers of adhesive. What I do right here is I pull a little piece off first, and then another little one, because sometimes it takes a little while to get this off, and you don't want, see, now I got 3. You don't want dust getting on it while you're trying to get the other ones off, because it's not going to stick well. So boom, and then go ahead and put the next one on. This one's going to go on the top. That looks good. Let me show you what that looks like right now. So this is the top one, the bottom one. Only thing is it doesn't cover this part. That's the only thing about these door handle covers. They don't cover this part. But once you put this piece on, it should look great. So let's go ahead and do that. There it is. Look at this. The difference. Wow, that looks good. It doesn't cover this part right here. That's the only thing about these door handles, which I mean, I don't know why it wouldn't. I know this one because it opens, obviously. But from the distance, you can't really tell, but that looks so much better, in my opinion. Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, I already knew that it would not cover everything, but they do match exactly with the truck, which is what I was looking for. And it's good because I still get the door handle back here. I'm not grabbing onto the ABS plastic. So boom, let's go ahead and get the other on that side because I have the undone one right here. So let's go ahead and do that quickly. Right, so that is the second one right here, and this is the difference between the door handles. Wow, this is an exact color match, which I'm so happy for. One thing I do want to mention is the door handles are not all the same. 3 of them will be the same, but the 4th one will have a keyhole. This is for your driver door, so do not make the mistake of putting one of these on the driver door. You're going to cover up the keyhole. There is one that already has a keyhole, and that obviously for the driver door. All the other ones are for area of the door. Just so you know, a lot of people make that mistake. Don't do that. Okay, let's go ahead and get the next 2 doors. We have this one and the driver door to do. Let's go ahead and do that. And there we have it, guys. We have the door handles covers installed. It is a perfect match with the truck. I am so happy the way they turned out. These were $70 on Amazon, and like I said, it does have this part right here, which is the only part that is, you know, not a perfect match. But other than that, remember I said the key on the driver's side, there's one for a key on the driver's side. The other ones, all 3 of the other ones are the same. So this is a quick walk around of what it's looking like now. Now it's starting to look like an XLT Lariat, or the XLT or the Lariat trim. This is the other side. Oh my smokes, bro. That looks good. All we gotta do is the final trim piece right there, and we got, this thing looks pretty much like a Lariat. So let me open the door. Now when you open the door, so I can show you. There's a little pocket right there where it's not covered, which is good. See? It's not covered there. Inside, I have 3M sticky stuff all over the place. I'm going to go ahead and clean that up. Let me close this again. I'll show you the fit. This side looks great. Everything is a perfect fit except for that part right there. If that's something that you can live with without getting these things painted, which would be hundreds of dollars, and if you just want to spend 70 bucks on Amazon, then go ahead and do it. If that bugs you too much, then go ahead and get your what's it called, door handles painted. For me, it doesn't really bug me. You can't even really tell unless I told you. Like from right here, you can't really tell. But wow, that looks amazing. It really blends in with the body lines of the truck. And like I said, all we have to do is go ahead and get that B-pillar trim wrapped as well, and this thing is almost done for exterior. Actually, you know what I also was looking at on Amazon was cover for the tailgate handle, so I may do that too. There you guys go. If you guys have any questions on it, leave a comment down below. If you found this video helpful, would you leave a like so that YouTube will share this with other people? Other than that, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.